So here we are, my fellow Earthlings. Before I go into this video, what I'm sharing here, I would like to ask you if you want to support my work and my channel and my videos, because it takes a while to make them. And if you feel that you actually learn from them, please go to the link in the description, buy me a coffee, or go to my YouTube, my PATRON, and sign up for $1 or $15 or whatever, and I will do my best to teach you how to paint. You can also add comments on YouTube, give a thumbs up, of course, and binge watch my videos, because I really need more view time to get my channel monetized. Now, in this video, I go through my how I set up the palette, which colors I use, which is Old Holland, this is Michael Harding, and this is my favorite Winsor Newton. It's the blue black, and of course I use these two together in glazing and stuff. You've probably seen that on my channel. In this video I explain how I build up the palette and what medium I use and stuff like that. It's just a short video. 2 videos I actually made for one of my patrons a few years ago. I just find them to be quite informative, so I just decided to put them out there as a standalone video. So with this, I hope to see you on Patreon, in comments, or maybe even buy me a coffee. That would be great. Thankful I will be, because I need my coffee. Yay, my friend. Here's the cobalt blue. It looks like that, and that is the tube I use. It's a big one. It's very expensive because it's a pure, this is the purest blue you can actually buy. This is the blue of the blue. As you can see, it's blue, period. This is that's the French ultramarine or ultramarine blue that I use, and that is blue, but it's very reddish as you compare them. It's maybe a little bit reddish too, but if you put actually some red into this one, you will get kind of like this one, or maybe kraplak into this one, you get this one. And if you put some yellow into this one or this one, you will get more like the Prussian blue, because then it's turned into more greenish. But all of these pigments are different. But that's the primary. If you're gonna look at the primary colors, the color circle, you have the yellow. The yellow now actually looks a little bit more with white in it, but it is the yellowest of the yellow. It actually looks a little bit more white here, but it's more totally yellow. And then you have the red. The bright red, the primary red, and you have the cobalt. That is the basis. Actually, when I started out painting, I only used this one, and this one. I did that for several years, only those 3 colors, and I tried to make all other colors from those 3, and it kind of works in a way. Then I added this one and this one. This is the last edition, actually. I only used this for the last maybe 6 or 7 years, 10 years maybe. I hated it. I thought it was too green. And I of course used yellow. I didn't even use black. And then I also added this one, the French ultramarine, or kraplak as it's called. And I just kept on building. Sometimes I actually wonder if I'm gonna go do some paintings only from those 3 primary colors, and the white. Maybe have black, but I'm not sure. Maybe I'll do that. Anyway, try it out. It's a very expensive color, but it's worth it. So if you use Old Holland, it will be no problem. It's a lot of pigment, a lot of color in it. So with this, see you later. This is the medium I use, or not the medium, but that's it's called Kremer Pigment Kremer Linsen Oil Vernis. It's called Kremer Linsen Oil Vernis. I don't know why they call it a furnace, because it's kind of, I think it's just linseed oil, cooked linseed oil. And yeah, that's what it's called. It's Kim Oslo. You can get it from there. If you want me to ship things to you, I can do that, but you have to pay the shipment, and of course what it costs. I mix this with I have 30% of this, and I have 70% of turpentine, balsam turpentine. I was actually finishing this now. It's starting to get quite good, actually. And that's the balsam turpentine. Something here. It's just turpentine. And of course that's the retuscherpanis. And this is where I mix it. I just mix 70%, 30% linseed oil, 30% of this, and 70% of that. And I just dip. And you see me paint. You've seen my I guess I've seen my palette. I just grab the paint. That's actually French ultramarine. That is the cobalt. And I just kind of dip it, and I just do like this, and I take another color, and when I have painted, I just dip it, and I do like that, and I take a new color, and I just paint, and when I'm painted that color, I just dip it into here, and I just take away the color as much as I can. And then also some of the pigment from this color is getting into the next color by accident, and that's also a way to actually mix colors. When I paint, everything is happening basically, it's happening by accident in a way. I don't really know how I paint. I just paint. I guess I have a rhythm in it, like trees and how trees grow and stuff. And yeah, I have a hellish time with this face. So, but the clouds have been quite nice. So anyway, let's keep cool. I'm finishing this now, so see ya.